Last night was a little bit hectic. We went off after work. I got off a little late, I guess. There is not. The dark is coming early still. We are in almost in the middle of April. Fortunately, I had laid out all the stuff I was going to bring with me the day before, so I had a little bit of control there. But it was a 2.5 hour walk up here. I have never been here before, even though if it's very local. And when I got up to the lake, there is a dam. There is a dam which is under improvement, so we're not able to walk over that dam. So I had to find a campsite in a hurry where there was room for a tarp and 2 tents. So I hung up the tarp and started to think that maybe we had to sleep under the tarp. But fortunately we found 2 decent tent places. So we sat around the campfire for a few hours, got to bed about 2:30 at night. When I woke up, one of the hike mates had left camp. Now the other one has left camp, and I'm alone here. Not very used to be alone, so I still prefer being with someone. The weather is nice and it's in the middle of the day, so it works okay, but it's nice to have someone to talk to. So what I'm trying to do now is recreate the system I packed in yesterday, laying out all my dry bags and the contents of the backpack and trying to put it back in the backpack as good as I can. And when I've done that, I'm going over the camp to see if we have left something, and then I'm ready to go. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Durston, but the Durston tent worked fine also in these conditions. It is a little small. It's not that easy to do the kind of hiking that we do. That is not very minimalistic. So if you have a very minimalistic and small lightweight tent and you have normal big stuff around, there is a little difficulties having control of everything in the tent. If you have a 2-person tent, for instance, it's easier to lay out everything on one side and sleep on the other and have full control. But it works as long as you have things inside the tent and don't spread it around in the terrain.